Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to edit, modify and update website. So this is the website we are going to update, and in order to update we need some kind of editor and the project. So I already sent you the project, and in this project if you download it should be looks like this. It is zip format. ICRA Tech Solution. So if it is zip format, you have to unzip it first. In order to unzip, just right click on it, click extract all, and leave the default location on the download location and click extract. So after, yeah, let's do it. So I already have it. So what I'm going to do is just click to replace. So it will replace the existing now. So close this window. So it will be looks like this. So this is the project. So now if I click on again, you see index, and if you right click, open with Chrome Home, so it will open like this. Okay. So now let me download the Atom. So Atom is one of the IDE where we can import our project and do some modification. So open Chrome browser and type in the search box download Atom. Very first link, click Atom, then click on download. So it will take few seconds to download on your download folder. I already downloaded, so let me open it. Show in a folder. So this is how it looks. So just double click on it. It will take few seconds to open the Atom application. So it took me almost 1 minute to open the ID. So this is how it looks when it's open for a first time. So what you can do, just mouse hover on the on this window, like welcome guide. Just click X button here, close the window. We don't need this one. So after that, we are going to add our project in this folder. So I think we have a two location here, right? So Ecratic solution, then we have Ecratic solution. So what we can do, instead of include this folder, we are going to include only this. So click add folders, then click downloads, click Ecratic solution, and select this folder. Select folder. So all of these should be included here. So now if you click on the download folder and go to this, you see whatever you see on here, everything should be populated here. So now let's test it out if it is working or not. So I don't need this Atom anymore. Let's close this one out and just minimize this application. Open Atom. And this, welcome to this, like if you click on home button, so this is the home button, the home page. The home page is called index.html, and I'm going to change something here and I'll put it back the fix. So home static solution. I'm going to remove this part here. Command X and Control S will save your application. So now if I refresh this page, it should be removed. So that means our integration with Atom is working. Let me put it back. Okay. So that how we install, download Atom, and also import our website to the Atom. Thank you.